people, I will not rest until I get you the right property, the right location, the right price, the affordable price, in a prime location like Victoria Island. I have a lot of people asking for property in Victoria Island, and I got you 1865 residency. You know what? The last time I came here, we are just on the second floor. But today, you need to see things yourself, so you need to follow me. It's a beautiful, built-up area where we have high rises off you. It's strategically located off Ajose Adeogun in Victoria Island. You need to come along with me to see the pace of work. When we came here just about 2 months ago, we were still on the second floor. But now, you need to see the work in progress. I'm super excited to show you this place. Woo! Can you see the level we have taken now? 1, 2, 3. We are now on the 4th floor. Wow! Do you remember the last time I came here? We were just on the second floor, right? And work is going on consistently every day. Come along with me. Can you see the pace of work? And we are not stopping. Every day you come to site, you see beautiful updates. Every day you come to site, you see beautiful updates. And that is why I love what is happening on this site today. Because a lot of people put their money in here and they don't have any regrets at all. This location is prime. This location is prime. And you know, when you put your money in this kind of location, you have nothing to worry about. It's a win-win situation for you. Look at it. We are still selling. You can still buy. And you can actually pay on installment. We have a long payment plan for you here. Don't miss it.